Welcome back, guys, to another episode of XanTech, and today we have an unboxing video. What you can't see in all my other videos, I've never talked about it, never said it, is this chair that I'm sitting on. After a while, the little piston in the center that supports me in the chair, it's got weaker over the time that I've had it. So during a gaming session or working session, but mainly gaming session, the chair sinks down ever so slightly, millimeter by millimeter. And I'm playing, all of a sudden the table's up here. I'm like, what the hell's going on? So my girlfriend's decided to surprise me by getting me a brand new chair. And here it is. 1 second. God damn, that's heavy. So today we're going to be unboxing this bad boy. So without further ado, let's get into it. Okay, so here we are with the unboxing of the Dowinx chair. I don't know the brand, but we'll open it up, assemble it, and see if it's any good. But I'm assuming it is. So got my trusty knife here. Always when using a blade, be very careful opening packages. Always love opening a fresh box. Put that away. Okay, let's see what comes inside. Okay, we got the Dowinx gaming chair user manual. I don't know if I'm going to be like a typical guy and just ignore this, or probably should pay attention to that. We've got a few screws and bolts, little caps, I'm assuming, to hide the bolts so they're not visible. And you got the Allen key. Okay, we've got what I'm assuming is some kind of, I don't know, this is a leg rest extender for your thighs or something. This is the lumbar support. It's rather well packaged. Okay, over here we have one arm. We have the main back body part of the chair, and here is the little squishy headrest. Got the other arm. And here's the main bit. This is where your bum goes, or my bum rather. It's quite thick, very sturdy, very heavy. I'll get it out of the plastic in a minute. First, let's get the box out of the way. We got the casters. There's 5 of them. We have, this is where the wheels slide in. This is the base of the chair. What else do we have? We have the individual leg pieces that the wheels attach to. And then, oh, this is quite heavy. This is the piston mechanism. This is what supports me and my fat bum. And then all the other little bits and bobs that go with that. This I suppose is the extender, so it becomes like a footrest, I think. I will show you that as I get along further in the build. And this, these are the controllers, the handles that lift the chair up and down. And this is the recline one. So let's get all of this out of the cardboard and plastic and see what we're working with. Okay, we have the foot of the chair that the wheels attach to in the standard star 5-spoke configuration. We have the lumbar support and the headrest. We have the arms. We have the leg support, the extendable leg support here. We have the levers that control the tilt and the height of the chair. We have the 5 casters. We have these 2 little brackets that support the leg rest. We have the piston and the covering. We have the main metal back support. And of course, we have the main body of the chair, the seat and the back. Oh yes, and of course we have the screws and bolts that will hold it all together. So now it's time to cue the music, speed things up, and get the chair built. Here we go. Okay, well, that's that done. There's the chair. Over here on this side, you have two levers. The first one, the one closest to your knees, you pull that and the chair sinks down. Pull it again once you're off the seat, and you can raise it. It raises up to about 50 centimeters off the ground. This back lever, in its downward position, the backrest is locked. It can't go anywhere. You raise that up, it comes forward. It can go all the way back down into a fully lined position. You lock it again and you can relax. Over here, there's another little feature. At the bottom, this slides out, flips over, and this is a leg rest, I suppose, when you're in fully relaxing mode. Not sure if I'll be using this. Maybe if I'm watching a movie or something. Apart from that, you tuck it back under there, lift this up, and you're good to go. It's a really sturdy chair. I like it. It can hold my weight. I'm 113 kilos, so I needed a chair that can support me. And there's one other feature here I've got to show you. I didn't notice this until I was reading. I saw this hanging out, wondering, why does it have a USB cable? And then I checked the manual, and this lumbar support apparently has a massage feature. So let's plug this in, put it by the computer, and see how it works. Okay, so here I am by the computer, about to plug this in. The reason why I'm laughing, sniggering, is I've already plugged this in. There's no on-off switch. You can't like control it. There's no app for it or anything. Once you plug this in, it starts vibrating. It's really quite loud. I don't think I'll be using this feature, but let's plug this in and you can hear how loud it is. I'll get a bit closer with my microphone. Now let's see how it feels. Okay. Moment of truth. It's kind of picked up in frequency now. It's going woo. Now once I'm on it, it's like woo. I can feel a slight sensation. I don't think this is going to do anything like a proper massage chair. I suppose it's just a gimmick, but oh well. I suppose I'm going to unplug that and tuck this wire away. I don't think I need anything like this. But for those of you out there who feel like it's worth it, I'd say go ahead and get yourself one of these Dowinx chairs. I will, of course, be putting a link down in the description. And that's it, I suppose. I'll see you again in the next one, guys. Until then, take care.